culture, the word that makes everyone different, the word that makes everyone believe in something different, a word that bonds people together, a word so powerful that it controls the way we behave and how we see things. Culture differentiates people, it makes us hate them, it makes us love them. For me, culture is not about beliefs, it's not about the rituals, and I don't let it control me. But yes, I do have a culture and I do follow it. But this is what culture means to me. Culture is about happiness, it's about spending time with your friends and family. Culture is about living in that moment, the moment where you forget about all the problems in the world. And the only thing that matters is that moment in time. Culture is about exploring nature, seeing something new, admiring the beauty of the world we live in. The only thing we can't control. You have to see it, touch it, feel it, experience it, you have to live it. What's the point in life if you can't take a moment to admire the world around you? What's the point in working 24/7, 365 days a year? Yeah, you'll get paid, you can buy what you want, eat what you want, but have you lived a good life? Look back. You tell me. Don't let it decide your future. Don't let it control your life. This life is yours. Make every second count because you only get one.